Today we're going to cook some smoked grilled chicken with our famous Mother Clucker chicken seasoning. Totally salt-free. It's phenomenal. You can find recipes for this as well as any of our seasonings, rubs, or sauces at tipsyfoods.com. First thing we're going to do, we've got the chicken. We just take the Mother Clucker and you sprinkle it real good all over it. Just because it says rub don't mean you got to rub it. Sprinkle it real good. Then we're going to put it on the grill with this side down, and we're going to put some more on the other side. We've got the smoker set at 150 degrees. We're going to let it smoke for about 2 hours. That's not going to cook it now. All that's going to do is give it some flavor. Then we're going to come back and raise the temperature and wrap it in foil. Now, about halfway through the smoking, after about an hour, you want to come and flip it over. So let's put a little more of the Mother Clucker on it. Ah, that's good smoke. So, we'll come back in an hour and flip it over. In about 2 hours, we'll be ready to move forward with it. Okay, we've been smoking the chicken for about 2 hours. Now, most people, when they're grilling chicken, they just grill it all on the grill, straight on the grill, and then they have issues. Either it dries out or it's not done around the bone. I found a way to fix that. We're going to take it down, we're going to wrap it in tin foil and put it back in there on the grill for about an hour. So we're going to, there's your chicken. Okay. Take the chicken, put it on some tin foil. I'm going to put this in 2 different packs. Now, we have the Mother Clucker seasoning on it. Now we're going to put some St. Louis rib rub on it. Yes, it says rib. It's a fantastic little barbecue powder. Sprinkle it on there real good. Roll it up. Right back on the grill. And get the other piece. Same thing with the St. Louis rub. What we got? Now, we're going to increase the heat on the grill to about 300 degrees. If you're using a charcoal or a gas grill, you want to get a little closer to your heat. If you look at tipsyfoods.com under our recipe section, it's got all the grilling tips of how you can do that with a gas or a charcoal grill. And it's going to cook here for about an hour. Then we're going to put a thermometer in to make sure, remember, chicken needs to be at 165. We don't want any salmonella. Let's put a thermometer in it, and it should be ready to go. All right, it's been an hour at 300 degrees. The chicken should be ready. We're going to take it out and see what we look like. Okay. There's one pack of it. Now, understand, folks, chicken is tricky. If you don't get the right temperature in the middle of the meat, then you can have issues. And yes, it is hot, and yes, I could have gloves on, but I don't have any thermal. So here we go. Now then, that looks pretty doggone good. Let's see what the temperature is. In the thickest part of the meat. That means she's ready to go to cook. You don't have any trouble to worry about anything else. Dinner is served.